Sorry guys, I tried to do it but I failed.
Hello guys and welcome on my channel. So at the back of me there is a Volvo XC70 and now the car is finished and I will show you the final result. Few things are left to do, but this will do the next owner. I have to deal with a different project, so he knows about it and he is very happy that he finally received the car. Some of you can tell me that this bumper is wrong, and of course you have right, because at this point of time in my country there is no parts for this car. Strange, but believe me, this bumper is more expensive than the bumper for Porsche 911. I paid for this bumper $500. It was a used bumper with nothing, you know, it was only a shell. For example, here is a shell for Porsche 911 and the price is $100. So funny thing but true. This is the lift version and this bumper is for the older one, but maybe someday we will fix this issue. Okay, so what I have to do now? Here in this lamp the lift mechanism doesn't work, so now I have to do the lift mechanism for the headlamp. You know, when you're starting the car, the lamp, the xenon headlight is lifting up and down, so to acquire the needed level, and this doesn't work here. I will show you. Look. Okay, it's dark here and look for the result. This light works and does not, you see? And what we have to do, so we have to pull those things and the headlight will come and I will replace the headlight engine. Look how simple is that. Now I have to unplug the light and we will meet on the table. And this is the reason why this headlamp probably doesn't work. So I have a used engine from damaged. I have a different engine. Now I will replace it. So the engine is here. We have to use T15 torques. The engine is out. Hope this is the case. Now I have to put everything together and check for the result. Hope this will do. Hope this will do the job. And this thing doesn't work, so I don't know what to do next. Hi guys, so I have to be honest with you. This mission was a failure. I didn't do this. I don't know what's going on. I exchanged the leveling engine in both lights and the result was the same. The left engine works on right and vice versa. I exchange also, I will show you, I exchange also this module. This is a control module for the engine, and this module works on both lamps. This module works on right lamp, and right module I put here, and on this lamp doesn't work. So I don't know what's going on.
I deployed my knowledge here. So the car need to go to the special electrical shop, and they have to do it. Sorry guys, I tried to do it but I failed. I will put the lamp back together, and what I have to do next is polish this section of the car, because something happened on the clear coat, and from my side this will be it. The car is repaired, so now my friend have to do the rest. But there is one advantage of this. I show you how to take the headlamp from XC70. So for those who doesn't know how to do it, how to change the bulbs, xenon bulbs. So now we know how to do it. Here are that kind of stuff. Just slide this lamp. And put those things here. And that's it. Now I will sand using 2000, 2500, and I will polish it. Here is small marks, hard to see on the camera.